Hey everybody, this is Ishmael Amandi, your real estate agent, international real estate agent, founder of Big Dream Vision for orphans, care for orphans and children around the world. Today I want to talk to you about your 401k. Is it worth it? That's the question. If someone asks you, what's your financial goals for the future? What would you say? Get a good job, work hard at that job, and invest on your 401k. But have you ever asked yourself, is my 401k worth it? Is it worth it? And if it is, it's not. It is up to us to find out the truth about your 401k. And I want to give you these 5 points to help you out understand 401k. The first point is, I want you to understand a brief background of the 401k. Our grandparents used to be paid actually pensions, and before they retired, companies used to pay them money for them to retire. And these companies paid them every single payment monthly, single payments monthly, pensions until they die. Can you imagine that? They got paid pensions until they die. Those are the baby boomers I'm talking about today. So what happened with these companies? These companies couldn't predict the future. They don't know if they can go bankrupt. They don't know if they can face lawsuits after they go bankrupt because they couldn't afford to pay these employees. It was good for the employees, but for the employers, it was horrible. So what did they do? The employers came out and sat down on the table with the government, with Wall Street, to find out what they can do to help these employees to be able to invest independently and also to be able to fish on their own. Companies don't have to face all this bankruptcy and lawsuits, and they can predict the future. That's what happened. So came your 401k. That's how it came along. Number two, I want to talk to you about the benefits of the 401k. Yes, the 401k can give you some benefits here and there. Your paycheck is actually being deducted automatically into your 401k contribution. That's a good benefit. Automatically deducted, you don't have to worry about. The company matches your 401k. Let's say you put $500 contribution in your 401k. They will match it with $500 or $250, whatever. And then you get money managers. They actually manage your account for you. You don't have to worry about it. The money managers manage this account for you. And then, like they say, it's risk-free and you get tax breaks. I'll discuss about this in a few minutes. The third point actually is your cost of your 401k, the cost. According to NerdWallet, 92% of Americans do not know how much fees they pay each month or on their lifetime. They don't know how much hidden fees they pay to their 401k contribution. Most Americans don't know this. Average American worker pays $140,000 in their lifetime into their 401k. In 2015, for example, managers account for your 401k, they made $17 billion. We are in 2021 today. How much do you think they make? They made $17 billion on hidden fees. We're not talking about even open fees. We're talking about hidden fees, $17 billion. Once you know the hidden fees of your 401k and you try to take your money out, the government will slap you on the face with penalties. Don't forget about that. Fourth point, the risk of the 401k. Most Americans think the 401k is everything. They don't know that they have to diversify their money. Diversification is very important, all right? You have to put your money in real estate, put your money in stocks, put your money in bonds. That's diversification, not 401k. 401k is just a source to help you, probably when you retire to get some money, but you won't get all that money. It's gonna be probably be used hidden fees, but the risk of 401k is just that you lack diversification. That's my point. You lack diversification. diversify your money. Point, I'll talk about the tax benefits. The tax benefits of 401k. This is what they tell you. I will give you an example. You make $50,000 a year. $50,000. You pull that $1,000 into your 401k. That $1,000 won't be taxed. It won't be taxed, but you will be taxed the $49,000. Okay, because that's income. You generated income. They will tax you there. Okay, so that's just the tax break that you get in a 401k. All right. If you put $5,000 in your 401k, they won't tax you that $5,000. But when you try to pull your money out, you're gonna get slapped with penalties. Okay. I will give you another example. I'm an investor. I'm putting $10,000 in stocks. $10,000 as an investor. I have what is called an investment tax break. Okay, that's different from a 401k. So I'm an investor putting $10,000 in stocks. In 10 years, I make $1 million. Okay, because I get investment tax breaks, I'm taxed 0 to 20%. 0 to 20%, which is good. Okay, so we don't know how the taxes work because, most importantly, you need to know the government had accrued a lot of debt. So with this debt, in the future, these debts, actually, they are growing each day. They are growing. So with the debts growing, the taxes have to increase too, so that the government can be able to pay these debts that they owe. Okay, so that's very important. So you are being taxed 0 to 20% as an investor on my $1 million. Okay, let's see this 401k scenario. I put $10,000 in my 401k. In 10 years, I have $1 million. Okay, this is $1 million that the taxes that you're gonna be taxed when you take this money is way more. I would say it's actually 40%. It's way more. Is way more because the government sees this as income that is being generated. Is a work you have done. You have worked, and this is income. So you are being taxed way more than an investor who invests on their own. So my question for you is, why you want to lose fees on your 401k? Is your money. Why do you want to get a lot of taxes on your 401k when you take it out, and when you decide to take your money out, there's penalties. Even if there's no penalty, what happens if you want to take all the money out when you're ready in your lifetime? I give you alternatives. You just don't have to invest only on your 401k. Invest in different things, different stocks. Suggest that take your money and invest somewhere else. Don't let your employer keep you tied down on just your 401k. Get your money invested in different real estate ventures, in stocks, in bonds, in gold. Be diversified. And that's how you make more income and you become wealthy. And that's what I do as a real estate agent. I just want to give you this small topic today. Give me a call if you want anything, if you want to invest in real estate. I'm here to help you out. Ishmael Amandi here, Citywide Properties. Take care. Give me a call anytime, any day. I'm here to help you. Take care.